welcome to my channel. I'm Najmalina and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely backdrop. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
So guys, we're going to need double-sided tape. Got this from the works. You're going to need a bottle, water bottle. You're going to need scissors. And of course tissue paper. Cut these into rectangle shapes or square shapes, it's up to you. And then you're going to need, I used an A1 mount board, but size depends on what you want. So we're going to take our double-sided tape and place it from edge to edge, then cut it off at the edge, and then do that for the whole board, leaving roughly a centimetre or an inch apart, depending on how full you want your board, your backdrop to be. So peel off one of your lines. Do it one line at a time so it doesn't get messy. And then place your tissue paper, one piece of tissue paper over your bottle and around it. Careful not to let it rip. And then turn it upside down and place it along the double-sided tape. You can change colours if you want. If you're using only one colour, that's up to you. And change the colours according to the way you want it to be. Just have fun with it, guys. just carry on doing that throughout your board and just have fun with it, guys. Place it. There's no correct way of where to place which color. It's up to you. Just use your eye. And that's it. It's super easy to do. If you want, do more than one board, make it a full background, fill up your wall. It's up to you. Thanks for watching.